Um, okay, so we're gonna be making toast, and what you're gonna need is one single piece of bread, a plate, butter, and a knife. Now, let's get toasting. Okay, so obviously you want to put the bread inside of the toaster, and I'm still not sure if these numbers are like the amount of heat or the amount of time, but it doesn't really matter. You just want to crank it up and let it go. I will come back in a few moments. Okay guys, so far as you can see, the bread is no longer freezed, but it doesn't have any browning to it, so we need to let it keep going until we have a beautiful browning. Okay, so what you want to do is check on it every once in a while to make sure it is going well. And as you can see, we actually have nice browning starting to go, and as you can see, it's only on one side of the bread, so I'm actually going to flip it in order to have maximum spread of brown. I'm gonna put this back on, and I think this is the heat, not the time. I'm really not sure, so I'm gonna lower it because this is a bit too much. Okay guys, so let's check on it now, and as we can see, it is pretty much done, guys. Done cooking. This is not the final part, of course. The final part is the spread of the butter. Now the package recommends having the entire box of butter on the bread, but we're not gonna do that. We are actually going to put less butter because we want to have maximum taste, and also we want it to taste really well so we can enjoy what we made. Okay, so we're in the butter pot, and it's important to put the butter on the bread when it's still hot, so the butter will melt slightly and get maximum efficiency of taste. Oh, shut up, dog. Stupid. Okay, so we have ourselves the toast with butter, which looks pretty much done to me. Let's see it. Yes, it looks very nice. Looks like a lot of butter, but it's not actually that many butter. And guys, I'm not kidding. This toast is very good. It is tasty and good and salty and creamy, and I am sure you will enjoy it. Okay, so the only thing left to do right now is to just go eat it. Okay, so thank you and goodbye. So I just finished the toast, and I can confirm it is very good and very tasty. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in your recommended in about 13 years. Yeah, thank you and goodbye.